We are floating like the sun.
Hello everybody, welcome back. Today's video is gonna be just me decorating my room. Show you guys like a small haul. Actually, I wouldn't say small because I did buy quite a bit of stuff from Shein. So I'm so excited to show you guys. Also got my Ipsy box that I get every month. Here is all Shein stuff. I'm so excited to show you guys. And then today I do want to decorate using my wallpaper. I also wanted to hang up this little frame that I found. And I got it from Burlington for $9.99. So really excited to put this up. So my room's not the cleanest right now. I gotta like clean it up a little bit. I do want to show you guys this thing from the last video. It's super cute, and I'll show you guys a photo right here of what it's supposed to look like. There we go. I like that it has the grid, which makes measurements a little easier when I'm laying it out on my closet door. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to figure this out. I'm gonna put it here. It's kind of crooked, like it doesn't shut all the way, so I don't know what's going on with my closet door. I think I broke it. I think I have too much junk in there. There's my wall. Not sure what that is. It's really cute, so you guys can get a cute visual look of what I'm gonna put up. Hopefully this will fit. Go ahead and do this side. So that was one roll, and then I'm gonna do the next one. It's up on that corner over there. I will give you guys a close-up. It does not look that pretty. So I grabbed my X-Acto knife, and I'm going to go ahead and cut whatever's left over, so that way it doesn't look crazy like this and has a weird crease. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish up the other side. Okay, I'm all done, and it's looking pretty good, but up close, some parts look a little rough, and I'll show you guys like where I kind of messed up. So this right here, this big time, but it's not like anybody's gonna be like looking up close, which is not bad. It does look very put together. It kind of goes with the aesthetic, so it's very fun. I made a mess here. Here is my Shein bag. And I'm going to show you guys what I got. I'm really excited because I got so much clothes. So let's start with this. I hope they fit me because a lot of them are kid sizes. Oh, okay. This is actually really cute. I like this. Very cropped. This is actually really cute. Right? But very fun. Next one. Here's this other one. Okay, this one's actually really cute. I like this. Kind of fun. Sleeves are long enough, which is good. Again, it's cropped. Oh, look at this one. This one's fun, actually. I like this. This one's kind of funky. Kind of very playful type of look. And a lot of these items were under $10. There's this other one. Okay, this one's actually a lot bigger than I thought. Wow, okay. This actually looks really big. This might have been the women's size. Okay, it's kind of big. Oh, it's cute for the winter time, fall time. Oh my god, this one's so cute. Oh, that's adorable. I feel like this kind of looks like little girlish. Oh, this is so adorable. I actually really like this. Oh, this looks cute. Okay. Oh, this one's adorable. This one looks kind of small though. This one has like cherries on it. And I feel like it's going to be kind of small. Okay. These are all the same but different colors. So I want to open that last. Oh, this is cute. Little cherries. Okay. It's actually really cute. Let me show you guys these 3 things. Oh, okay. It's very cropped. I thought it was going to be a cinch longer. Yeah, that is very cropped. But it's cute. Sleeves are a little long. This was like $5. Same thing, sleeves are kind of long. But it's really cute. It's very fun. I feel like a jellyfish. This one's really cute. I like that. It's like a copper color. Okay, I know it looks terrible because this does not go all together. That was my little Shein haul. I will say my favorite sweater thus far is probably this. I love this because it's fun and wild. Love the different colors going on and like it's very abstract. I just love weird stuff like that. Open this box here. Here we go. It always feels like Christmas every time I open the box. There we go. Do a little Ipsy unboxing. Okay. Ooh. Glow. Okay, so avocado moisture cleanser. I like the packaging and I love avocados. So fun. I love when brands do. Really fun. Okay. Ooh. So I cannot wait to try this. This is another one. What did I get? An hydrating honey infused mask. There we go. The packaging's really cute. Let's see what's inside. Oh, look at that. That's so cute. Mayo. Very cute. And these 3 products. So it comes with 5 products. So they pick out like 2 products that they pick out, and then you pick out your 3 items. So this one is a serum. Oh, this is so cute. I have like 50 million serums, so we'll try this one out and see how it goes. Next one is the eyebrow pen. I want to do my eyebrows really good. Oh, it's like really small. It's like a tiny little pen. Oh my gosh. That's actually really cute. Oh. Okay. There we go. So it's kind of, I don't know how I feel about it because I feel like it's not very dark. Last one is volumizing mascara. Oh, I like the packaging. Very, very cute. Ooh, that's cute. It's like purple and black. I like that. Let's see. Ooh, I actually just ran out of mascara, so this is perfect. This is why I like Ipsy, because whenever I run out of like any type of product, I always get that product in the mail, and that way I don't have to go buy some, because everything that you get from this box is $30 plus shipping. I think it's like $1 or $2. And that is all for this video, you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.